Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see what is a Flask. Flask is a web framework that helps you develop web applications easily. This framework represents a collection of libraries and modules that enable web application developers to write or develop applications without worrying about the low-level details such as protocol, thread management, and so on. So this is a web development framework, and this which is written in Python, and this was developed by Armin Ronacher, and who was the team leader of the international Python enthusiasts. And this is based on the Werkzeug, that is WSGI toolkit, and the Django 2 template engine. And this WSGI is the web server gateway interface that has been a standard for this Python web application development, and this is a specification of a common interface between the web servers and the web applications. So that is the web server gateway interface, and this Flask is based on that. And this coming to this Werkzeug is this is a WSGI toolkit that implements requests, response objects, and utility functions, and this enables a web frame to be built on it. The Flask framework uses this as one of its bases, and this Jinja 2 is a popular template engine for this Python web template system. Combines a template with a specific data source to render a dynamic web page. So this is the about the Jinja 2, and this Flask comprises of this. And now we can see why this Flask is a micro framework. This is a micro framework, that is, it is designed to keep the core of the application simple and scalable. And instead of a subtraction layer for the database support, this Flask supports extensions to add such capabilities to the application. So this Flask is referred to as the micro framework. And coming to the advantages of Flask. Flask as a micro framework, this is designed to perform few tasks extremely well. And Flask offers more flexibility in the sense to work to different working styles and approaches to web app development. These programmers with more coding experience or who need more control of the app design prefer this Flask for this reason. That is, it is more flexible and has more database support. That is, it has no default model. It inherently supports multiple types of databases. This also makes databases easier to integrate into a Flask application. And this Flask is easier to use for smaller applications. And if you are looking to design a relatively simple web app with a few static pages, this Flask will make your thing easier than Django. That is, we already seen what is Django, which is also a web development app, and this is similar to this Django. So but for smaller web applications, many programmers find that Flask is easily scalable as well than this Django. So for smaller web applications, we can go for this Flask. Otherwise, we can choose a Django, which is also a web development framework. If you want to see what is a Django, check my video on that, and we can see the differences between this Flask and this Django in the next video. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.